Hi there, we are back again in this additional with extra Sudokus of today's newspaper of Monday, September the 2020. September the 21st, 2020. Yes, the second one is a 2 stars Sudoku, and this 2 stars Sudoku, 2 out of 8 because we have today 8 extra Sudokus. This one will be number 1578. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. And the printed numbers were 2 stars Sudoku. 2 stars Sudokus has 26, I believe. Let me check if this is correct. 3 plus 2 is 5. Plus 4 is equal to 9, plus 2 is 11, plus 3 is 14, plus 2 is 16, plus 2 is 18, plus 4 is 22, plus 4 is equal to 26. Correct. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I use? How about the last row? 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 7. We have the 6 and the 7 in this big square, so no 6 and the 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. 6 and the 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And then how about how about 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Well. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so in the middle row, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing in this column. 5 and the 9. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And then and then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes, so the 4 could be here or could be there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there. The 1 and the 2 are missing. Let me mark them for you. It's up here. Alright. Then how about Alright. here 5 in this column, 5 in the middle columns, and the column next. Only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row, only place for the 5 should be here. And then, 3 missing numbers in this third row. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left. The 1 and the 6 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. This should be a 2. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers. A 3 and 8. 3 and 8. We have an 8 here. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3, we have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright. Then 3, 5. Well. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 5, 3, 8. No. I cannot. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. In the first row, 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 1, the 6, and the 9. We see here the 1 and the 6. So no 1 and the 6 in this box. The 1 digit left should be the 9. The 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 6 in this column. 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6's are used. I can see digit number 2. Alright. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And all the 1's are used. I can see digit number 3. Then 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 4 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 4, alright. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 1 number left in this column for the number 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the row above, so in that row. Only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 5. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 3, I believe. 1 number left in the 3rd column for the number 7, I believe. Yes. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. 5 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here. The 3 goes there, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers. Oh! Double 5. No, not 5 and 3. 3 and 9. 3 and 9. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Almost made a mistake. Last 2 boxes in this big square. The 3 and a 5. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Yes! Completed in 13 minutes. Quicker than the previous one. I like this Sudoku, almost made a mistake. Anyway, if you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 3rd Sudoku, a 3 stars Sudoku. Bye bye for now, see you later.